Welcome to Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics series.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and we're going to be going over conversions. So in this example, we're going to be converting grams to moles. This question asks, how many moles are in 32.0 grams of water, which molecular formula is H2O. So in this question, we must know what is given and what is it asking. So what it's given is our number and unit right here. And it is asking for moles. How many moles are present in 32.0 grams of water? So this is where we are starting. So we say 32.0 grams of water over 1, as in algebra, any number over 1 is still that number. So 32 grams of water over 1 is still 32 grams of water. So we know that there is a relationship between grams and moles. So we're going to use that factor label here. Now, if our grams of water is in the numerator, to cancel it out, we must put it in our denominator. We must put it on the other side of the fraction. So in this case, it needs to be in the denominator. And moles then will fall on top. Okay, so our grams of water will cancel. Moles is going to be in our answer, which is good because that's what the question is asking. Now, how do we figure out these numbers? Well, H2O, this is just one molecule of water, so it will just make 1 mole. And to find out the grams, we would need our periodic table. So for hydrogens, that's about 1 gram per mole. And we have 2 of them, according to our formula. So we're going to multiply that by 2, and we have 2 grams per mole. And for oxygen is about 16 grams per mole. You see on your periodic table, so that's just going to be 16 because we only have 1 of them. So when we add these together, that's going to be 18 grams of H2O per 1 mole of H2O. So from here, we let our calculator do the work for us. We are just going to multiply our numerators together. Times 1 is just going to be 32. And then our denominators together, which would just be 18. So it will be 32.0 divided by 18. And that will equal around 1.78 moles of water. We must always include our units. So this is not just 1.78, but 1.78 moles of water. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap for today's episode of Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics episode.